Hello YouTube, it is your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about some of my favorite pressed powders. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Okay, beautiful people. So before we get into the talk about pressed powders, let's talk about subscribing to my channel. I have so many great, amazing makeup videos, whether you're a beginner or a pro. If you just want to hear about the new things that come out, if you just want to talk in the comment section about why you think this product is better and you don't know why I like that one that I chose, let me know. Let's talk about it. Subscribe, come join us, and let's have a great time. Okay, also hit the notification bell. So, pressed powders. I have a love-hate relationship with pressed powders. I love that I can take them on the go. They set my powder, they set my makeup. If I feel like I'm oily in some spots, or if I have a really sweaty face, so sometimes my sweat will start to break down my makeup. I could run to the bathroom and just powder my nose and put it back together. But I also find that sometimes it's hard to gauge how much is enough and how much is too much. Like, I feel like sometimes I put it on and it's just like, oh, if I could just do one less pat, I would have looked okay. But because I went 2 pats instead of 3, or whatever the case may be, I did too much. So that's my issue with pressed powders. But let's get into my faves. Number 1 is Laura Mercier's translucent medium deep pressed setting powder. So I'm going to show it to you guys. These have mirrors, so I'm going to show them upside down so the lights won't blind you guys. That is the powder, and then underneath the powder, let's see if I can even open this because I don't have nails. Oh, I can't open it. There's a little sponge in here, guys. Just believe me. Take my word for it, okay? I wouldn't lie to you. Oh, there we go. I got it. It's a little dirty because I use it sponge. I'm going to be better one day, y'all. So I'm actually having a little forehead rosacea right here. So I'm going to come in and just right in the middle. And then another thing I like to do is like fold it up like that, and then come between those eyebrows. And I mean, if you have a highlighter on your nose, don't do this, but I don't have highlighter on my nose, so I'm gonna do that. See how much better I look? Sometimes mid-video you just gotta touch it up, and that is why I love this product. I feel like it's a really good shade for me. Unfortunately, it only comes in 2 shades, so if this shade is not good for you, the translucent one, if you're brown or deep skin, I find like it wouldn't be good for you. But this formula is really finely milled. It goes on kind of like with a natural finish. Like, if you see my forehead right now, it didn't take away all the shine, but it took away enough shine so that way my skin's not like reflective, and I really like that. Like, that is what I'm looking for during the day. That my biggest issue is my T-zone being oily. So I really like to just take the powder and kind of touch it up if I'm wearing makeup that day, or even if I'm not wearing makeup, I just want to take the shine off. I think it's really pretty. My next favorite is Mineralize Skinfinsh Natural in the shade Dark Tan from MAC. So same thing with the mirrors, so don't ask me why I'm holding it funny. But so this one I really like. It's like a baked little compact, and unfortunately this one does not have a little sponge, so you do have to have like some kind of makeup sponge or whatever. But I mostly use this to set my makeup, and I really like it to set tinted moisturizers and liquidy light foundation. So specifically MAC Face and Body and Bobbi Brown's tinted moisturizer. I love using this to set them because it keeps that natural, because it's like a natural looking finish, it keeps that tinted moisturizer look without looking like uberly cakey, you powdered it too much. And this powder can do that, and sometimes other pressed powders can't. So I love this one. Some honorable mentions. Like I said, I don't use that many different face powders. One that I do use and I love, but I cannot find her, is MAC Studio Fix Plus powder. That compact is amazing. There have been times when I've been like on the train, running late, ran down an avenue and a half, sweating down my face, and then when I get to the bathroom I use Fix Plus on my face and you can't tell any of it, and it just like cements it back. But that is for a real full out glam look. You're not gonna look natural with Fix Plus powder unless you have a big fluffy brush. Like, if you press it, you're gonna look a little made up. So, but I really like it, and I still think it's a great product. So those are my favorite pressed powders. Wow, that's a fake tongue twister. But if there's a pressed powder that you like, that especially has variants in like skin tone and stuff, let me know, so that way we could talk about it. I can see if I tried it, have it, want to get it. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me.